Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Listen up, guys. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button where you can get more information about the different opportunities that I promote to make a full-time income from home. Today, we are going to be discussing the #1 postcard program that I have been promoting now for just about a year. And we're going to talk about some of the payments that I brought in and how you can actually start earning with this income. We're going to go over some of the mistakes that people made and how to get started the right way when you actually start promoting this opportunity. So with the postcard mailing system, what you're going to learn how to do is market an opportunity from home that's going to help you to bring in a full-time income using postcards. But I'm going to teach you exactly what to do. And not only that, the information that you will need in order to get started with this opportunity. If you have never been to this channel before, this is my channel here. And what you'll notice is down in the video section, I have some information about some other opportunities that is just mainly online marketing, but then you can actually watch some of my videos that are about this postcard opportunity and how I've been doing with this opportunity over the past year. I have made over $100,000 within a year with postcard mailing. And there's a few different ways that I actually promote this opportunity to bring in a full-time six-figure income. So this is a way to earn unlimited payouts, and they start anywhere from $25 all the way up to here is the $3,500 level. So depending on what level you come in at, depends on how much you can make. They do have an entry level, which is phase 1. You cannot skip phase 1. It's a one-time fee of $50. This is going to get you 200 postcards and 200 leads. This is going to be mailed directly to your home or your PO box. Whichever you decide to use is ultimately your choice. When you upgrade, which you can actually do right away, you do not have to wait to upgrade, you will then receive another 200 postcards and leads, depending on what level you come in at. Now, if you join at a higher level, you will get more postcards and leads. If it's at one of the lower levels, you'll get an additional 200 leads and 200 postcards. Now, you can always order more when you get your packet in the mail. There is going to be information on how you can order additional postcards and leads at a very reasonable rate. Now, what a person can do is they can actually pay online to join this opportunity, or they can send in a postcard with a payment to join this opportunity. Once the company gets the information, they will go ahead and log it into the system. Everyone gets an ID number. The ID number is how they know who to pay, okay? And the ID number goes right here. So what they can do is send in their payment along with the ID number, which will be on a postcard, and that will get them into the system to actually start getting paid, okay? So far, the last 3 months, I have generated over $20,000 with just some of the different opportunities that I promote, but mainly with the postcard marketing opportunity, because again, I have been promoting this opportunity for a while, and it has built up over time where I now get a lot of payments on autopilot, okay? So what I recommend is that when you first start out with this opportunity, you get a website. This website basically gives all of the information that you need in order to get started the right way. If you start sending out postcards and you do not have a website, you are not going to get the amount of signups that you want, and it's not going to be consistent. So you want to make sure that when you start, you actually get your website. The website is going to give the information as far as like how much you're going to pay to get started. It says here, you get your 200 postcards, your 200 leads, you get information for the members only discounted pricing, private offline marketing strategies, which I provide myself that I use and have used in the past, and an exclusive Facebook access that we have for paid members only, okay? So not only that, it gives information on the passive side of this opportunity, but also the residual income that you can make from your efforts and from your team efforts. So with this opportunity, you do get spillover bonuses, you get upgrade bonuses, and there is no requirement to run online marketing. Now, I do recommend online marketing, but if you want to just take this completely offline, it's up to you, and you can make money with the offline portion of this business, okay? So here it just tells you you have to complete phase 1 before you move to phase 2. Phase one is a one-time payment of $50. This is what you're going to receive along with the bonuses. And then when you want to come in at the higher levels, you can click any one of these levels. These are the most popular. Anything that you want to do over that level or above that level, you need to contact your sponsor directly. With this website, you also are able to get your picture here with your information so people can contact you and speak to you if they have any questions. And if you want to link to your Facebook page, you can do so right here. We have fast action bonuses to get this information. All you have to do is click in the description right below this video, and it's going to give you the link where you're going to see the information for the online, offline marketing strategies that we have, the discounted postcard stamps, our Facebook private group for paid members only. And if you want one-on-one coaching, we do have that available for people that want that extra time and need that extra training, okay? We also have here the resources for success, which goes over the must-haves when you actually start this opportunity, things not to skip, and the things that you need to have in place before you start mailing your postcards. And then we have the Eagles Club, which is for those who come in at the $1,000 level or higher, okay? So this website here is available for people who are a part of the Cash Building System Unlimited. And again, this is a very newbie friendly opportunity where you can actually get started if you're on a budget or you want to learn how to do offline marketing. There's so many people that they get into a lot of online opportunities, but they really don't understand how offline marketing works. So with that said, this is the postcard that you're going to get in the mail. It looks exactly identical to the picture that's on the website, as you can see here. Okay, these are the different colors that, this is the color of the postcard. As far as what you're going to get, you do have to get your postcard stamps, which will go right here when you mail your postcards. And what you can do is to put your ID number here. You can get one of these, what do they call it, markers or whatever, where you can just stamp it's a stamper. You can stamp your ID number onto your postcards, okay? That's one of the ways you can actually do this. Again, you want to make sure your website information is here. So if people want to reach out to you, they want more information, they're able to do so. That's very important, okay? So what we're going to do is basically go over the different levels that's available to you as well, okay? Okay, at the level one, which is $100, it's going to allow you to get unlimited $70 payouts. At level two, it's $500. And again, these are all one-time fees. It's going to allow you to get $350 of unlimited payouts. And this is in your position one. So these payments, again, are payments you will receive when somebody joins the opportunity using your postcard. Level three is $1,000. You're going to get $700. Level four is $1,500. You're going to get $1,050. Level five is $2,000, which is going to get you $1,400. $2,500 is going to get you $1,750. Level seven, which is $3,500, is going to get you $2,450. And then you have level eight, which is $5,000, and you're going to get $3,500 payout. Now they also have here the bonus level, which is a $300 payment that you pay to get unlimited $150 payouts, okay? And that's at the bonus level, okay, that they had recently added to the product that we didn't have before. Every time you upgrade, you will always receive additional postcards and leads with your upgrade, okay? So that's the way that it works. Again, if you want more information, I have tons of videos about Cash Building System Unlimited. We also have different webinars that we have had in the past that give you a breakdown of how this opportunity works and what to expect. This is all on my channel, information about this opportunity. So if you want to take a look at that, you can definitely do so. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this is giving you some education about how it works, but not only that, how important the website is for this business. I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Stay safe and have a great day.